Also, we'd like to introduce Sister Ruby. She will be our main speaker today. She will be talking more of the hope, the love of God, and everything in between. And this is Sister Ruby.
Good afternoon, everyone. How many of you received flowers for Mother's Day? Did you receive a real flower? Did you receive flowers for Mother's Day?
No.
What do you like to see? A real flower? Or do you like to see an artificial flower?
Real.
Yes, I have a story to share before we sing the song. When I was younger, it was Valentine, and I received a plastic rose. And I said, this guy who I knew liked me, he gave me a plastic rose. And so he said, I'm giving you a plastic rose just like what you said. It lasts longer, and it looks beautiful. It's like a real one. But what do you think did I feel when I received a plastic rose on Valentine's Day?
You didn't think it was good.
Right? So I'm glad God is not like that. Because God gave us what kind of flowers? Real flowers. These are real. They may be faded, but it's still beautiful, right? And I said, well, if He gave me a real flower, I would still keep it and press it and it would last long. But not an artificial one, right? So anyway, thank God that He gave us a garden with flowers. How many of you like to visit gardens? Would you go visit a garden with artificial flowers?
No.
It would not be as refreshing and beautiful, right? It wouldn't make you feel that you are loved and cared for. So, as we sing this song, I Come to the Garden Alone, think that God loves us so much. There's this favorite author that wrote, flowers are God's way of telling us that He loves us. Every budding flower and every spire of living grass is a manifestation of God's love for us. Do you believe that? So when we go outside, feel the fresh air, look at the beautiful blue skies, springtime, we feel God's love for us, right? So we don't just like to be confined inside a room or building, but we enjoy going out visiting gardens. So as we sing this song, I hope you will feel God's love. I come to the garden alone.